They did not believe her. Why do you think they did not believe her?
I think that a lot of that was that it was Johnny Depp. I think the celebrity status.
But she's a celebrity too.
And it's not only not believing her.
But she's a celebrity too.
Right.
At this point, the whole world knows that Amber Heard is planning to file an appeal and try to reverse the ruling against her, and while she never appeared on TV to confirm this, her lawyer Elaine Bredehoft has been doing all the talking for her. However, people are raising their eyebrows after hearing what Elaine has to say. One would even think that the lawyer doesn't understand how heavy the consequences of her words will cost them if they do file the appeal. I mean, questioning the jury's decisions. Even a normal citizen knows it'll surely rub off on the jury in the wrong way, and I'm 100% sure Amber is fuming after watching her lawyer make a mess. So, how did Amber react to Elaine, and how will this affect their chances of winning the appeal? Let's find out. I know most of you were shocked after seeing Elaine on the Today Show the day after the verdict became final. Well, count me in, because even Johnny's team didn't say yes for television interviews and only released a short statement outside the court when the verdict was read out. Elaine, on the other hand, went from one TV show to another, repeating the same sob story about the verdict being a setback to all women who experience domestic violence.
Johnny Depp this morning.
Yeah, a major setback for women inside the courtroom and outside the courtroom.
Because
Basically what this said, Amber had an enormous amount of evidence, although a lot of it was suppressed in this case as opposed to the UK. But look at all the women who have no evidence, all these women who suffer from domestic violence, domestic abuse. They don't have evidence. And basically what this jury said is, unless you pull out your cell phone and you tape record your spouse beating you, you're out of luck.
Her accusations continued and even claimed that the jury checked social media when they shouldn't have, and ultimately got affected by what they saw on TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook.
You think jurors were aware of it? They weren't supposed to be. They're admonished every single day. Don't look at it. Do you think they did see it?
How can you not? They went home every night. They have families. The families are on social media. We had a 10-day break in the middle because of the judicial conference. There's no way they couldn't have been influenced by it. And it was horrible. It really, really was lopsided. And I appreciate your saying that. It's like the Roman Colosseum, how they viewed this whole case. I was against cameras in the courtroom, and I went on record with that and had argued against it because of the sensitive nature of this. But it made it a zoo.
This is only a few of her remarks against the jury, and fans are scratching their heads, thinking if Amber's lawyer understood the weight of her statements. Not to mention they are planning to file an appeal. Fans even pointed out how this is the complete opposite of Elaine's attitude during the trial. She was heard thanking the judge and jury so vigorously, and now she is calling their verdict a setback and unfair. One fan wrote, "Yes, I did." Elaine accused the court a judge asked her of improper rulings. But after closing arguments and of course before the verdict, Elaine was profusely thanking the court for their excellent work. She needs to be careful. Bar associations might look into this. Of course, this will surely affect their chances. Fans even speculated that Elaine had already gotten in trouble with the jury because she canceled a TV interview at the last minute. When asked why, they said that Elaine had important court matters to attend to.
Well, latest fallout is that I'm supposed to have Elaine Bredehoft sitting next to me, of course, Julia, interviewing. Now I have an empty chair. She canceled last minute, minutes ago. With our interview live here on television, we were prepared, all set up for her, outline of questions, and she had some emergency, something in court is what it was. So we're working on, hopefully, a meeting with her next week is what we're being told as a possibility for an interview after this huge verdict that happened right here where I'm sitting just a couple of days ago on Wednesday.
I'm pretty sure she got called by the jury for her TV show tour. Amber must be fuming right now, don't you think? I mean, she should be, since she badly needs to win the appeal, and she has a lawyer who gets on the bad side of the jury whenever she speaks. How about you? Do you think Elaine got in trouble with the jury, and will this affect their appeal? Let us know in the comments below.